This is today's case study. All right, 16 pages, and it's about the FIFA World Cup. I know that sounds like sports, but stay with me because it's the clearest look you'll get this year at how AI works when it absolutely cannot fail. It has to. Now look at this. Every week for the last 18 months, my team and I have published one of these for the AI Adopters Club, okay? One company, real AI deployment, taken apart so you can see what actually drove the result. Not hype, not endless AI news, not predictions. What worked, what broke, and what you can copy on Monday. As you may know, is running across 3 countries right now, 16 stadiums, and the entire thing runs on AI. Not just augmented, not AI as a feature, but at the infrastructure level. For example, the ball itself reports its own position 500 times a second. The officiating system generates over 150 million tracking data points per match. And there's a command center right here in Miami, about an hour south from where I live, holding a live digital twin of every single stadium. But the lesson is not the technology. It's 3 moves that any operator can steal and implement in their business. So 1, FIFA's real advantage is not the AI model. It's the data underneath it and decades of football data that nobody else can access or buy. The model is just the interface. The corpus is the asset. And if your AI strategy is a subscription to somebody else's model, you don't really have a moat. You have a bill. Second, they gave all 48 teams the same exact tool for free. And the gap between teams didn't close. It actually moved. The new advantage is how fast you turn the AI's output into a decision. Access is not adoption. That is the line most companies are getting wrong, unfortunately, right now. And third, they built a photorealistic instant replay, not because the calls that the AI made were wrong, but because they looked wrong to the fans. You know, there's emotions and they want explainability. Because at scale, a decision that people can't understand, even though it might be right, is a decision they won't accept. Explainability is not a feature, it's trust. And trust is really what gets your AI used instead of quietly being ignored once you roll it out throughout your organization. And that's just one case study. You get one every single week. Okay, I really like this one. I made one about Formula One as well about a year ago. If you want, you can check it out in the vault. But if you're a person that's responsible for making AI actually work inside of your organization, the real thing, not the demo, not the features, this is built specifically for you. So join the AI Adopters Club, 18 months full of these in the archive, in the vault, and a new one every single week. That's definitely enough to get started today. So link is in the description below. Adapt and create, and I'll see you on the inside.